Insult is when people speak to you or treat you with disrespect. Have you ever been on the receiving end of an insult? That's not a pleasant situation, is it? According to me, there are four main reasons why people insult you. 1. Insecurity. 2. Jealousy. Third, lack of understanding. And the fourth one, they think insulting is cool. I'd like to explain the above points in detail. Insecurity. It means lack of confidence. Some people lack confidence and they don't feel good about it. As they don't feel good about it, they want to control others, which they think can be achieved by putting the other people down. So, insecure people always end up insulting or making fun of you. The second reason why people mock you or insult you is because they are jealous of you. Jealousy is a very important motive to mock or make insult of another person. People who are jealous feel that they are not getting enough credit for what they are doing, and that is the reason they want you to put you down. The third reason or third point why people insult you because they don't have enough understanding or they don't know about a person's disability or a person's situation. They don't know that the comment they are directing to the people have a genuine problem and it may cause or affect the other people in a very negative way. Say for example, a kid has a speaking disability. He stammers while speaking, but his school friends always make fun of him because they don't know that they have this kind of speech or speaking disability. The third point, which I feel, or the fourth point, which I feel why people insult you is because they think insulting is cool. Some people are very fond of you or they are very close to you and they feel that by insulting they are teasing you in a little bit playful way. They are so close to you that a little bit of insulting is okay for them. For example, there may be some very close friends who may call you as chubby or golu or anything because you are on the heavier side. They don't want to insult you in a negative way. They just want to have a playful teasing and have an enjoyment within themselves. In summary, I believe these are the four reasons why people insult the other person. Thank you for watching.